I have had the chemical peel for about 8 years, about twice a year. Typically what the esthetician would give me would be a zinc oxide sunscreen. However, you become very white, it's dry, it's kind of embarrassing to be in public. With FACTORFIVE, I was able to be in public the very next day. Because FACTORFIVE was so high in moisture, you couldn't even see the flakes. I wasn't as embarrassed. I didn't have skin falling off. I love the way it feels. You can tell where it's at on your face. It almost feels like it's a tightening agent of some sort. So I know, oh, I didn't get it here on this part of my face. And then when you put the cream on, it just absorbs beautifully. And it just feels like your natural skin. It was a easier healing process by far. My name is Stephanie and I use the FACTORFIVE post-treatment kit after my A-Peel chemical peel.